This is Mr. Constas, just giving you a little bit of brief directions on what you should be doing every week. No matter what course you're in, Math 7, Math 8, Math 9, which is algebra, you should be clicking on your quarter 4 assignments in Schoology unless you're using the emailed link I gave you. It's the same thing. So if you really want to skip to Schoology, you could, for my class, use that link I've sent you. Now, with that link, first thing you should be paying attention to is that at the bottom, if you're in Math 8, you need to click on Math 8, and that would be your assignments. You don't want to do the wrong assignments. Same thing if you're in my algebra course. You don't want to do that, okay? So make sure that you're in the correct link for the grade level you're in. I also posted at the top whatever math level you're in, okay? Now looking at this, I've set it up where it's just a general template where anything that is in blue or underlined would be a link to either a video, a printout, or your classwork. Now, everything that's in red is mandatory. You do have to do your classwork for day 1. You do have to do your classwork for day 2, and you do have to take whatever quiz I'm giving you. Now, if you want to work ahead, you can always work ahead on the next week. I'm starting to fill in stuff for the week after. And once we're done with our 9 weeks, you're done with the course. So if I end up preparing stuff for you guys ahead of time, don't be worried, okay? So right now we're in week 1, and you're going to go ahead before you do anything and you start any work, you need to touch base with Mr. C. How do you do that? Click on the attendance link. So if you click on the attendance link, click on that little link, you're going to start off by putting your name in there, okay? So just your first name. So with me, I'm just going to put my last name, Constas, and then you're going to choose whatever course section you're in for me. It could be Math 7, Section A, Day 1, Math 7, A, Day 2, and so on. Okay, so you're just going to click on the section, and it says you have logged on to Schoology and you're aware of the week's assignments. Well, we're on that because we had to click on it. So you're going to just click yes and then submit. Okay, now back to our assignments. Once you do that, I've tried to make it easy. Everything here is day 1, everything here is day 2, and I'm going to put your quizzes and assessments on this bottom link. Of course, you're not going to do your quizzes and assessments before you've done your day 1 and day 2 assignments. That should be a little bit of common sense, all right? So, yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. Make sure you click on your attendance link. If I say watch, then that means that's a video on your notes. If I say print, you can print it. If you don't have a printer, you can write it down, take a couple of notes. So when you get to your classwork and you click on whatever is due for that week, you can work on this and this will populate into a spreadsheet and I can give you credit for your classwork. If there's any questions, again, you can go to your Google Meeting link. I will have this open every single day for the majority of the day unless I'm in a teacher meeting or a parent meeting or something. You can click on this and this will pop up and you'll see Mr. C. Okay? So other than that, we should be good to go. Thank you.